Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are making carrot shaped fancy dress. To start off, I am going to take an orange chart paper and trace out a deep V roughly on it. I am going to cut it after that. Since I did not have a complete sheet of chart paper and I wanted the length of the carrot to be a little bit longer, I am adding another piece to it. You can adjust that depending on the length you require. Now it's time to add the details to the carrot. I'm going to make some long arches along the edges on both the sides of this, and then between the arches we are going to just shade using the same sketch pen. Next up, I'm going to make the face of the carrot. To do that, I've taken some white thick card paper and I'm cutting out two rough circles from it to make the eyes. After pasting the eyes, I'll start making the eyebrows, the nose, and then finally the mouth. Let's now give the carrot some cute lashes. Now I'm going to make a cutout for the neck of the child. I'll also add some ribbon so that it can be tied. With this last step, our dress is ready. Now let's move on to making the headgear. To make the headgear, I'm taking 3 A4 sheets, 2 of dark green color and 1 is a lighter shade. First, I will make the headband. To make that, I am cutting one A4 sheet in half and then folding it over. Then I am going to connect these pieces together. Now I'll make the leaves to connect it to this headband. To make the leaves, I am basically overlapping both the remaining two sheets and then drawing some leaves on top of it. Now I'm going to stick these leaves to the headband in an alternate fashion. One dark green, then light green, then dark green and then light green. Now I'll connect the two pieces together as per the circumference of the child's head. And our headgear is ready. Here are some final shots. I hope you liked the video and I hope you do make this for a child. Let me know in the comment section how it turns out and I'll see you next time. Until then, take care. Bye bye.